here. Today I thought that since it's summer and the hot months start to come in, maybe we should do some summer makeup. I will call it summer glow. So I already have sunscreen on. Today I also have this fun beachy curls. I will insert the clip how I do them. Let me brush my hair out. Should I try to do the Kylie Jenner curls? Should I or should I not? I don't have curling iron, so I don't know how people do that. Even just this, two different directions of curls without curling iron. Oh, it looks sickening. Okay, so watching back, I realized you couldn't hear me. I hope this will help. I'm done with this part of my hair, the second section. Here is not ready yet, so you can compare it. I really like this side. It looks sickening. It's like beach waves vibes. I like it. Okay, I'm pretty much done. It looks just ridiculous. I somehow curled my bangs and I got the last layer of hair to curl, and it's great. It gets volume. But is it too much volume? This is what I'm asking myself. Is it too much for beachy waves? I didn't watch tutorial how to do beachy waves. I'm just doing basically Kylie Jenner, like something like this, hair tutorial. I'm just hoping for the best. Yes. So let me go finish the last layer and I will be there for you. Please tell me, should I brush it with my regular brush, this one, or do I have to take like this smaller one? I don't know how it's called. I don't know how you call it. It's still a hairbrush. You shouldn't forget about the sunscreen in the summer. And I also wanted to add some glow to my skin. Since it's summer and all the girlies just love bronzing drops, I also have one. It's by... I won't apply it directly to my face. I want to mix it with the moisturizer. So let me go grab it. First things first, the brows. Always the first thing I do, and today is not an exception. Okay, looking all great. Now I want to fill them in, but since it's summer, you don't want your brows to look heavy. You want them to be as more natural as it possible. So I'm just taking my marker and basically just filling the gaps. I don't want any extra. Now let's do the mentioned moisturizer and bronzing drops. I actually thought that we can mix it with a brush on the palm of my hand and then the bronzing drops. I don't do it often, so I'm here with you. Two drops, I think it's enough. Work it with the brush and then take it to my face. Oh god. I don't even know. It should be evenly distributed, but I assume it's not. Now we want some light coverage, so I'm taking my skin tint. Firstly, I will distribute it with the brush and then twist the blender because I want really thin layer of it. Now I'm taking the blender and adding it into my skin. Okay, so that way the skin just looks stunning. The next one is like bronzer, right? So it's on my hand. I can take a brush or a sponge, evenly distribute, and then just like that. Then we want to take the blush. I'm also getting the blush on the back of my hand next to the bronzer, taking it on my brush and then to my cheeks. Oh, it's so great. Then we're taking our concealer, dot here, nothing a lot, here. I want to be lighter here, a little bit here, and a little bit there. Since the concealer is pigmented, you don't want to be a lot. I'm taking the clean side of the blender and starting here. And since we're doing thin layers, it's not gonna be a lot for you, for your face, because I actually can't feel anything because it's all evenly blended. It's so little layers, so it's just basically the one thin layer. I really work it all into the skin. The blending is key. The one last step that you want to do, and that's basically it, you take your powder. So since it will be humid and you maybe will get sweaty, you need to have a good powder that will keep your makeup in place all day, and this one is basically the one and only. Firstly, setting your under eyes. Really work your powder before in your powder puff, then in your skin. You need to work everything in, just patting, not swiping. Then you're taking the powder to the places that will get sweaty. So it's your forehead, right here, your chin. So I won't be putting any other blush or any other bronzer. That's basically it, just liquids. I just get the brush and swiping the rest of the unnecessary powder that may be somewhere clogged. Just like this, blending basically everything together. Then you take your highlighter brush, you take your lovely highlighter, and what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna use this gold one on my lips, here, also on my nose. Then I'm gonna use 3 of them here, right? And I'm gonna take them to my lip. It's just your highlighter, but it's looking gorgeous. Let's do some freckles. I do them over powder. You can do the under powder. I don't know, I always forget to do this before powder. Okay, for the mascara, today I'm gonna use the burgundy one. Is it dry? Yeah, I think it is. So I'm taking the Duraline. Oh, now it's working. Oh, I can't look at myself. Oh, so gorgeous. You see that? The perfect summer look. I am taking my lip liner and I'm gonna take not my usual clear lip gloss. I'm gonna take the pink one. And I'm gonna call it the perfect ribbon lips. Because just like this, you're getting done with your summer makeup. So I got to the other light. And as you can see, the glow is peeking through the skin, the freckles, the lips. Oh, I just love it. Love it. I just sorry, but I look so gorgeous. This is the final look. How you like it? Because I like it a lot. Give me 14 of them right now. Thank you. If you tried, just tag me. I want to see your recreations. Don't forget to like and comment the video, obviously. Also, don't forget to subscribe. I'm watching you. And yeah, thank you for watching. See you in the next one.